Mastering Rust Arrays and Vectors. Learn to create, manage, and optimize vectors in Rust programming. Rust provides multiple ways to create vectors. Use the vec macro for quick initialization, vec new for an empty vector, and vec with capacity to preallocate space for efficiency. Manage vector elements effectively by using push to add, pop to remove from the end, and insert or remove for specific indices. Use clear to empty the vector. Access vector elements directly with indexing or safely with the get method, which returns an option to handle potential out-of-bounds access gracefully. Traverse vectors using iter for read-only access, itermit to modify elements, and intiter to consume the vector, transferring ownership of its elements. Grasp how vectors interact with Rust's ownership model. Use references to borrow elements and ensure safe mutations without violating ownership rules. Recognize the difference between a vector's length and capacity. Understand how vectors grow dynamically and optimize memory usage by managing capacity effectively. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.